In this video, I'm going to show you how to flip an image in GIMP using 3 different methods. So you can flip an entire canvas, a single layer, or just one specific selection. This is a super useful editing skill, whether you're fixing the direction of a photo, creating a mirror effect, or adjusting a design element without starting over. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy GIMP tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the easiest method, flipping the entire canvas. This is the best option when you want every layer in your project to flip together at the same time. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click Image. From the drop-down menu, hover over Transform. Then you'll see your flip options. If you want the image to mirror from left to right, choose Flip Horizontally. If you want to flip it from top to bottom, choose Flip Vertically. As soon as you click one of those options, GIMP will apply the change to the whole document. This is really helpful if you're working on a full composition and want everything to stay aligned after the flip. Now let's move on to method 2, which is flipping just a single layer. This is the method you want when you only need to mirror one part of your project without affecting the other layers. Start by selecting the target layer in your Layers panel. Make sure the correct layer is highlighted, because GIMP will only flip the active one. Next, go to the toolbox and select the Flip tool. It looks like 2 arrows pointing away from a vertical line. If you want a quicker way, you can also press Shift+F on your keyboard to activate it instantly. After that, look at the Tool Options panel, which is usually on the left side. Here, you'll see the direction settings. Choose horizontal if you want the layer to flip side to side, or vertical if you want it to flip top to bottom. Once everything is set, just click anywhere on the image canvas, and GIMP will flip that selected layer for you. This is especially useful for reversing an object, adjusting a graphic, or creating a reflected version of an element in your design. Let's say you don't want to flip the whole layer, but only a specific part of it. That's where method 3 comes in, flipping a selection. First, pick a selection tool, like the rectangle select tool, and draw a box around the area you want to flip. Make sure the selection surrounds only the part you want to change. Then press Shift+F again to bring up the flip tool. In the Tool Options panel, this time make sure the transform setting is set to selection. You'll know it's correct when the square marquee icon is selected. Once that's ready, click inside your selection box, and GIMP will flip only that selected area. This is perfect for small adjustments when you want to keep the rest of the image exactly as it is. So to quickly recap, if you want to flip everything, use Image, then Transform, then flip horizontally or flip vertically. If you want to flip just one layer, use the flip tool with the correct layer selected. And if you only want to flip part of an image, make a selection first, and then use the flip tool set to selection. Once you understand these 3 methods, flipping images in GIMP becomes fast and easy. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next GIMP tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.